Hey everybody, so today I want to talk to you guys about something more than just the Bitcoin chart and what I'm seeing. I kind of want to get into detail about what's going on behind the Bitcoin chart as far as this manipulation and price movement to the downside. We're getting a lot of selling pressure coming in. I think a lot of people are curious. They're kind of dumbfounded of what's going on. Everybody agrees that this is market manipulation, but nobody really knows where it's coming from. I have a couple of ideas and I want to share it with you guys. So first off, let's just say that yes, the possibility of Western institutions just coming in and pushing down the price is a strong probability. Big whales and Western institutions, things like maybe Amazon, I'm not saying it is, maybe Apple, maybe Walmart, things like that, like big corporations, could be manipulating the price. They could be pushing it down. They could have contracts with people and agreements with people to push this price down before they get in and can buy at a lower price point, so they can ride this all the way to the moon, right? Now, you got to keep in mind, guys, that these institutions and these buyers and these whales, big money, they're thinking long term. They're not thinking short term at all, guys. They're thinking they want to get in this and ride this for years to come. They're going to make a lot of money. Yes, they'll make it in the short term, but they're going to make a lot of money if they can suppress this price movement and get in on a lower price point before, world adoption, which is happening. Let's be honest, guys. El Salvador just came out the other day and was the first country to start accepting Bitcoin as their tender, guys, as their form of currency. They're not going to be the last ones. They're not going to be the first and only, guys. We're going to have plenty more smaller nations and countries come out who are third world status countries, and they're going to say, you know what, I've had it with this dollar. I've had it with leaning on the U.S. dollar in regards to our country's financial future. They're going to start adopting this, guys. And we've already seen a lot of, especially Latin communities and countries say, hey, I like what El Salvador is doing. We're going to jump on board. So with that in mind, guys, yes, that probability of Western institutions coming in and pushing the price down is a strong possibility. But don't forget about China. And don't forget about that narrative that China's always banning and unbanning crypto mining, cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin, right? They've been doing that for years. But follow me about what I'm going to say right now about China, guys. China, we've been seeing, I have a couple of articles right here. Chinese Bitcoin mining pools experience sharp hash rate drop, because they're going after them that are using coal and all this other stuff in some of the regions, right? Some Bitcoin miners ordered to shut down after China's crackdown note. There's a lot of these articles coming out. Government will prohibit any authorities from setting up or permitting any new crypto mining projects. They are really cracking down. Now, I don't think that China is shutting it down per se. I think the government's taking over. And what I think is happening with this Bitcoin price is these owners of these mining farms, or these, whoever's involved, if you guys don't know, let me say this. If you guys don't know how the Chinese government punishes people, it's not like the Western world. They like punish for generations. Anyway, that's just speculating. I can't say for sure, nothing like that. That's just, look into it, guys. They really punish people there if you break their rules and their laws. If they're coming after you, they're coming after your life. Maybe in a physical and a metaphorical way, but they're coming after your livelihood, your life. So think about it, guys. If China is taking over this Bitcoin farms, these guys that are running it are selling for profits and just getting out of Dodge, guys. Yeah, people are like, well, why would you sell Bitcoins? Why wouldn't you just take your Bitcoins and leave and all this other stuff? Bro, if you are threatened with genocide by not just you, it's not going to just end with you, but your kids' kids and your kids' kids and their kids, because that's how they punish in China. What would you do? You would secure everything you possibly could right then and there and run for the hills. You don't want to leave it up to chance, because chances are you ain't going to be in a good position even if you hand it over to them. They're going to take everything from you. Now, again, I'm just speculating on that. I don't know that that's a fact, but I do know that that has happened and does go on in China. Don't delude yourself, but don't think it doesn't, because it does, guys. Anyway, that's what I think is happening right now. I think they're literally running for their lives. These people in China are running for their lives. So that's what's happening. We're seeing consistent FUD. We are seeing Western FUD. We're seeing Western institutions come in and suppress the price, but we're also, for some reason or another, people aren't giving this enough attention. Probably because it's been said so many times about China. But guys, if that's what's happening, then the dumpage makes sense, because all the fundamentals and the technicals scream for higher price points. Guys, look at it. India is saying that they're gonna possibly come out and classify Bitcoin as its own asset. They've been back and forth as well. But if they come out, just like El Salvador did, guys, these countries can break away and set their own financial future by adopting the most rare asset ever known to man. It makes sense. It makes sense. Anyway, that's my thoughts, guys. Tell me what you guys think. Is it possible? Is that what we're seeing right now? The fundamentals in TA, like, come on, guys. We all gotta agree. The technicals and the fundamentals all scream bullish. Right? Let me know what you guys think. God bless you guys. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are in profits. I hope you guys are practicing proper risk management. And remember, this is just my thoughts. This is just my thoughts. Could be right. Could be right. Stay blessed. Stay profitable. Peace.